Well, hello, my favorite people. Welcome to C-SHomeStead. So I just pulled my second harvest of potatoes. The first harvest were just, they called them yellow potatoes. This harvest, I grew Yukon Gold. They were in right at 90 days, a little bit less, but it's getting cool up here. It's already died off the vines. Right here in the strainer, what you're looking at, that's off of one plant. That was the biggest plant. Then I had two small plants, and all these are off the two small plants. It's this one here on the bottom. I believe that was a seed potato, so I'm not going to keep it. It's darker. It was connected right there where the plant grew out of. That was a seed potato. Please hit that like and subscribe button to help support this channel. Hit the love button, ring the bell, and leave comments. Have a great day.